In this video, I'll show you how you can fix your FPS in League of Legends. The first thing I suggest you do is you open up Riot Client, come here and go to Settings, find League of Legends and press Repair. Just let it repair your game, and after that is done, you can close it down. Then you want to search for Task Manager, go to Startup, make sure you disable everything that you don't need, so Skype, whatever, make sure you disable that. Also head over to Processes, sort by CPU and memory, and you want to close down the stuff that's using way too much that you don't need. So it could be Google Chrome, Edge, CapCut, and in here CapCut is using a lot as well. So just close those down while you're playing League. Now the other thing you want to do is search for Firewall, allow an app, change settings. In here you want to look if you have Riot Games. If you have the Riot Client, you want to check this, and check this. If you don't see it in here, you can just Riot Client, open file location, and then do it again. Take this folder, click here, Control C, and then come back here, allow another, browse, click here, Control V, and you can add it from in here. Now make sure all three are ticked, and once you've done that, you just want to close this one down. So what you can do is close this like this, and then what we want to do is we want to search for power options, the power plan. Come into power options, make sure you choose high performance, close it down again. If you don't see the high performance, there should be a little drop down arrow in there that you can press on. Then right click on your desktop, display settings, go to graphics settings, enable hardware accelerated GPU, and then we want to add League of Legends, and there should be 2 of them. So press browse and just come back to the same folder, go to Riot Games, League of Legends. Then you first want to add this one, and then you want to open up game and add this one as well. Once you've added both, you want to click Options, High Performance, and do it for both of them. After that, search for Game Mode. Make sure you enable Game Mode and make sure you turn off Game Bar. Once you've done all of this, your FPS should be fixed. Also make sure that inside of the game graphics, you just turn them down to low, because you don't really need graphics in League of Legends. Now, if this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.